Time for you to become the official Instagram user on the go. Towards the end of this section, you will not just create an Instagram account, but you'll learn how to optimize your post and look up fellow users of similar interest. You'll learn to post that first photo and video using different image filters in Instagram. Don't forget tagging. It's all about tagging the right words if you want users to look you up. Inevitably, you will identify the most commonly used tag and exploit it to gain the traffic you want. First thing you need to know about Instagram is it is created for the sole purpose of being a mobile sharing platform. Unlike Facebook, Tumblr, and Pinterest, where users may upload their files from both their personal computer and mobile phones, Instagram only allows uploads from mobile phones, even though it has its own web page. That's right, you may scroll, like, and view posts on their web page, but not upload any files. News has stated that Instagram will unlikely change this. Why? Because it may stray from the main purpose of Instagram, an application that allows your photos and videos to be shared instantly on the go. Understanding the simple principle of Instagram should give you a generic idea of how you should handle your account to its fullest. You need only a mobile device to make traffic from Instagram. Download it and install it. Previously, you've created your Facebook page. Now you may sign up using the same email. It's advisable that you link your Facebook page and synchronize it to Instagram using the same account you have in Facebook. This way, it'll be easier to develop your business profile on Instagram and get higher probability of traffic from multiple platforms as mentioned in SEO for that off-site optimization. Name your account accordingly and follow the sign-up instructions until you are prompted to find contacts. Instagram will automatically search through your contacts to find those who are using Instagram as well. This way, it'll be easier for you to follow them. Set up the appropriate profile picture for your account, and finally, you'll be welcome to your homepage. Remember to treat your profile picture as your branding, so use your logo for it. Before you start exploring, consider the profile of your account. If you're bringing a business profile to Instagram, it's necessary you turn your Instagram account into a business account. This will make it easier for you to declare to users that you are a business account, and people will get in touch with you easily using Instagram. Go to your profile and tap the setting icon on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the Switch to Business Profile option. You'll be opted to connect to your Facebook page if you haven't done so. Once it's connected, Instagram will automatically import your business profile from Facebook and set it up for you. Once you're finished, you'll have access to Instagram Insights. It's a necessary tool for online marketers to understand their audience's behavior, thus creating a more relevant post based on their statistics.